everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to bring you guys the insert preview. I haven't done this for a couple weeks. I just kind of been slacking, and then by the time I realize I should do it, I'm just like, I don't want to. But I need to start showing you guys the inserts that we are getting. Now, it looks like we are getting 4 inserts. 2 Retailmenots, 1 Smart Source, and 1 P&G. Now please keep in mind that everybody gets different coupons. As I've couponed throughout the years, I know what my area gets for inserts. I always see people are like, well, I never got that coupon, I never got that coupon. It might be that your area doesn't get it. There are places that you guys can buy like individual coupons, like Clip to Save, if you guys see a really good deal that you want to buy more of. But if you guys are beginner couponers, I always subscribe to my newspaper. Just start paying attention on what you guys will get and what you don't get, so then, you know, in the future when you see this deal, you guys are like, oh, okay, I know I'm not going to get that coupon, but I'm going to probably get some individual coupons. So just sharing with you guys on that. Usually the P&G is the same for everybody, except a lot of people don't get the Tide coupons, but you know what, that's okay. So here is Retailmenot number 1. I'm just going to zoom in for you guys. So the Biotine, we're getting $1.50 off California Kitchen. A lot of these ones don't pertain to me, but if you guys enjoy this product, go for it. I'm just going to kind of skip through. Now here we have some Digiorno pizza coupons. Okay, so it's $2 off any 2. So there is that. $2 off. Right now we do have some $1.50 off ones that do expire this coming or next week, so it's going to be kind of a double whammy if you guys want to go ahead and do that. Dove, we got $1.50 off that. Dove $1 off, $2.50 off. So a lot of Dove coupons. Now these all go towards the Fetch if you guys are doing the Fetch challenge that does end next week, but there is a lot of Dove coupons. Fancy Feast, Friskies, a lot of cat food. Hefty foam products, we got $1 off 2. Hellman's mayonnaise, 50 cents. Jack's Pizza, 50 cents. I haven't seen a Jack's Pizza coupon. If it is, I never got it in my area. Lipton, outside, a lot of pizza. It's because it's Super Bowl, so a lot of people are like, let's get some pizza. Pringles, you get $1 off any 4 cans. Purina. Quilted Northern, 50 cents. Shea Moisture, $1. $5 off any 2. Suave, 75 cents, 50 cents, 2 off at 2. Lotion, $1, $1.50. Suave Professionals, buy one get one free. So a lot of Suave. Here's another pizza coupon. Tombstone, you guys, let's eat some pizza. Yes. Vaseline lotion, $2. That's a great coupon. And bacon. Here we got Garnier Fructis dry shampoo, $2 off. Regular Garniers, $2 off at 2. Nutrice, $4. I think that's the hair coloring. Express Skin Active, $2. Maybelline Foundation, $3. Mascara, $2. Sheba, buy 5 get 5 free. That's a pretty decent coupon if your cats enjoy that. Now we're at the Smart Source. We got Act, $1. Airwick, $3. $1.50, $3. Ajax Soap, 50 cents. Aleve, $4. That's a pretty good coupon. Allegra, Aunt Annie's, $1.50, and then $1. Bayer Blue Diamond, $1 off any 2. There's been a lot of deals with Blue Diamond lately. Then we got Covergirl, $3, $2. I feel like Covergirl's always in the ads like every couple weeks. Depends. Dugalax, Ensure, General Mills, we got $2 off of any 4. So that's a pretty decent deal. I like doing the $1 off 2, but hey, $2 off of 4 is a pretty good deal. $3 off any Glycerna product. Gold Bond, Hidden Valley Ranch, Icy Hot. Kinder Bars, ooh, $1 off any 2. Good coupon. Kleenex, Nutrisystem, 1 a day, Pears, Poise. We got $2 off Poise. I forgot to mention, this is the website, SundayCouponInserts.com. You guys just Google Sunday or inserts, whatever day you guys want, and then you can just check any website that has them on there. So Sargento Schneider's Pretzels. Now there are some deals at Dollar Tree that you guys could probably use those coupons. Maybe Summer Eve Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Sweet Baby Ray's. Welch's Fruit Snacks, 25 cents. And then Zyzel And then here is the P&G. Now please keep in mind, mostly everybody gets the P&G except the Tide coupons vary from region. So we got a line, Bounty, $2 off of $15 or more. Okay. Otherwise there's just a regular 25-cent off coupon. Cascade, Action Packs, $1. Dishwasher detergent, 50 cents. Charmin, 25 cents. $2 off of $15 or more. Crest, $5 off the 3D white. Here is another $3 off Crest toothpaste. Now mouthwash we're getting $1, but here we're getting a $2 off the multi-pack of toothpaste. We're not usually getting the $1 that we usually get. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. Febreze is buy one get one free. Another buy one get one free of a different Febreze. Gain dishwashing detergent, 50 cents. Gillette razors, $4. Head and Shoulders, $3. We got 10 ounces of Royal Oils, $1. And then here is the Head and Shoulders 3 off of 2. Love's diapers, $1.50. Now that's actually a pretty good coupon. I know Walmart has diapers for $4.97. So you guys could actually get those for what? $3.50? $3.50. That's a pretty good deal for packs of diapers, you guys. Mr. Clean, 50 cents. Olay, $1. Olay Eyes, $2 off. $1. Old Spice, $1. Old Spice. Okay, Oral-B toothbrush, battery operated, is $2. Replacement head is $3. Pampers, $1.50. Pampers Easy Ups, $2. Here we got 50 cents off of wipes. Then we got Pantene. Here is a waterless buy one get one free coupon for the waterless. Pepto-Bismol Puffs, $1 off any 2. Secret Clinical, $1 off any 2. Venus Razors, $4 off. Vicks, 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 and Vicks, you guys. So that is what we are getting in this Sunday's insert. So it's up to you guys if you guys want to get extra inserts or extra coupons. But like I said, just keep in mind of what you guys get. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.